Welcome to AutoWorld of Conway, where today we'll be previewing yet another iconic American muscle car. This particular car, 1966 Ford Mustang. Many options that make it appear somewhat like a GT, but it's just a highly optioned C-code car. But more importantly than that, probably one of the nicest restored Mustangs that we've had in some time. You just don't find them like this every day, for sure. So I'm certain you'll be able to see the quality just as I see it. Take some time to understand truly what she has to offer. And if you can imagine her in your driveway. So probably right off the bat, you can tell the paint and body is truly spectacular. Wet sanded and polished to a high level. And the fender badge there, 289. And that is what is under the hood of this lovely lady. You see the horizontal grille of the 66. It appears that everything has either been replaced or refurbished, down to the car light, glass, windshield. Wow, what a beauty. You have 14-inch steel-styled wheels with the 1-inch white wall. Hidden behind there, you'll see power disc brakes. Kelsey Hayes, I believe. 66 with this rocker molding along the bottom. This was actually a local car for us. The gentleman had it for several years. And shuffling his collection, decided to replace this with a Jaguar XKE of all things. All the weather stripping, and I don't know how many Mustangs that we see that actually this weather stripping in the wing window or vent window is replaced, but that is a testimony to the level with which this car has been done. Dash pad, you see there, secret audio or hidden audio, digital, Bluetooth, and connects to your phone as well. Three-spoke black steering wheel. C4 automatic shifter there in the console. Owner's manual as well as the installation guide for the radio. 66 also had the flasher indicator here. Absolutely like liquid. Exactly what we would want to see in a high-end restoration. Also note that the courtesy lamps function. Wow, listen to that. And again, I hope this paint shows well in the video, because in person all the chrome has been replaced. Bumperettes. See a single exhaust pipe there, which would have been correct. Let's grab the key, we'll go into the trunk. paint still presents as fresh. This bag, duffel bag, is another tonneau cover, or boot cover, full-size spare. The tonneau cover will be for the convertible top in the down position. Here, this carpet, seat upholstery. All new. There's the data trim tag. What do you got here? There we go. It's like 40 degrees here in Myrtle Beach today, but that's okay. Conway. And that to reveal the correct 289 2-barrel carburetor. Air conditioning that functions, power steering, and the upgraded power disc brakes. See the windshield washer squirters, that's something that's typically overlooked during restoration. I see also indications that it's been upgraded to Pertronics ignition, so no points. Makes it more dependable, reliable on the road. Also this 3-row aluminum radiator. I was told that air conditioning is a recent addition. This will move this tonneau cover. Operate the power top. The other nice thing is windows roll up just beautifully. All 4 corners. So this has been in the well today. Brand new top. Perfectly clear back window. to the left of the steering wheel on the dash. Push it away. Other way, you had it, you had it. Other way, close, if you would open the top for me. Thank you, there you go. All right, perfect. Let's do this. We'll give it a little gas so we can hear, and then we'll go for a ride. This is our main dealership. This is actually my 21st year making photos and videos for customers all over the world. You see here the radio. That's the Rolling Stones. See how our gauges function, or they should. Air conditioning. Heat also functions. I tested that this morning. We're going to pause here just a moment. We'll wait for this whole line of traffic. Oh, no, we're okay. So I have personally owned over 24 Mustangs, restored 4 from the ground up, and I can't really describe what it feels like to drive this particular car. The steering gearbox is new, it handles, it starts, it stops. Again, at the threat of sounding like a salesman, but this is probably, if not the nicest, one of the nicest first generation Mustangs I've ever had the pleasure of driving. No squeaks, no rattles. Again, just an exceptional example all the way around. Again, the power steering, the power disc brakes just make it a joy. You touch the key, and it starts every time the choke. Look at this, we'll go up here and make a right. We'll go through the gears one more time. Then we'll go back to the office and take a video underneath so you can see just how beautifully she's restored there as well. Be able to see the attention to detail. It doesn't stop at the upper surfaces, but it goes all the way through to the undercarriage as well. C4, 3-speed automatic. So there you have it, 1966 Ford Mustang Convertible. Let's head back to the office.